Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video and your daily update on Jasmy. All right, it's very much necessary because Jasmy right now has been, even though it might not look like that, but it's the most bearish I've seen it in quite some time. All right, so I wanted to talk about that. As most of you know, I am still bullish on Jasmy, and my setup, my thesis has also not been invalidated yet, but you can see some things which I don't like. For example, since the start, and we're diving right into the analysis if you don't mind, but since the start of this bullish momentum earlier in February, what hasn't happened is that the 28 EMA has been broken. And what we're seeing right now, and this is purely technically, all right, so it doesn't matter that much, but it is an indication. So we've seen for the first time that the 28 EMA has been broken, but right now the 50 EMA has also been broken and respected as resistance. Now, technically, that's very strong bearish confirmation, all right? Now, what I said yesterday is that I think the most likely market circumstance for Jasmy and the most likely structure for Jasmy is still the same as what it has been doing, even though it has been invalidated a little bit. But what I said for the last couple of days, in the last couple of analysis, is that every time that Jasmy has made a newer high, a higher high, so right here, for example, right here, it has lost momentum. So the open interest, which I think we'll have a look at in a moment, but the open interest has dropped down, the price has dropped down, it has consolidated, and then always made that higher high. So there's two ways to look at it. You can really zoom into the technicals and accept that the trend is fueled by EMAs technically, and that those EMAs are broken right now, which are bearish confirmations. So that might lead to some sort of a bearish breakout, for example, below our main support at 1.95 cents. And I have to agree, if 1.95 cents breaks, and like we really close below that, and we cannot reclaim it instantly afterwards, then I would say that's enough bearish confirmation to assume that we're going to drop down to 1.5. And then I was wrong. Then the setup is invalidated and Jasmy will probably drop down towards 1.6, 1.5. So you should definitely be prepared for that. And like I said, technically there's actually a quite big likelihood that that's going to happen. But like I said, and that's also what I said for the last couple of days, at this moment, the structure still looks very similar. You can see the open interest, the momentum is decreasing rapidly, but that has also happened every other time we made a higher high, and we are still holding our main support level at 1.95 cents. So at this moment, I still think it's most likely we'll find support there, maybe consolidate a little bit between 2.25 and 1.95 cents, but ultimately break above 2.25 cents and get up towards 3 cents. I still think that's most likely, even though, and we've talked about this before, this is very weird, right? To see some sort of a divergence like this, which let me quickly draw that for you. A divergence like this, so higher highs for the price and then lower highs for the open interest, I don't see that often. And that might be reason for worry. And that's also why I'm telling you, if right now, after the brief technical bearish confirmations we had, if we also lose 1.95 cents as a support level, then it's most likely that we're going to drop down, all right? And then you should also be most prepared for that. But those are my thoughts. That's everything I wanted to say, I believe. So if you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. For now, have a great rest of your week, a good weekend in advance. I'm not sure if I'll cover Jasmy tomorrow, but for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.